Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is, honey. But as y'all can tell by the title, I am making my own diamond cabbage stacker. Baby, when I tell you the ingredients, very simple, very easy, you're gonna wanna do this if you like cabbage. Now, if you don't like cabbage, you can use other vegetables. But hey, y'all, we're gonna try to add a little healthiness to our menus, right? Just a little, okay? So, let's get with it. Okay, y'all, here's the ingredients that you will need. We have a head of cabbage that's been washed, but we're gonna wash it again once when we slice it. We have ground beef. You can use ground chicken, ground turkey, ground lamb. It's up to you. Ground pork. It's up to you. We have a red bell pepper. We have an onion, and we have my own diamond dust. Okay? The only season you need. And you want to cut it thin. Not too thick. Now, if you love onions, cut it thick. But keep in mind, that's going to take longer to cook. Dice up this red bell pepper. Now I wanted some jalapenos, but I didn't have any. So we're just gonna use what we have, right? Next, we're gonna cut the cabbage. So let's start off with this part. Okay. And you want to keep it just like that. All the extra you just put to the side because we're going to use that too. The cabbage has been soaked. We're gonna drizzle this pan. This is parchment paper. Drizzle this with a little olive oil. And we're gonna lay the cabbage down. We got the cabbage down. Put that to the side, just right there for a little while, just for a little while. And we're gonna season the meat with our diamond dust. Yes! And that's all you need. That's it. I'm gonna mix that season into that ground beef. And now we're getting ready to stack it up. Diamond's cabbage stackers. So we're gonna take the meat and we're gonna form small patties. Right on top. Right on top. On top of that one. Okay, next. Be an onion right on top. Don't stop. Now, if you don't like the onions, you don't have to use the onion. A little cheddar cheese. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. I want to take this one off. So good. A little cheddar cheese. And the red bell peppers. Let's add a little season. Diamond dust. Stack that, I'll say lettuce. Cabbage. Right on top. Yum. Then we're going to top it off with a mayo base sauce that I made. Right on top. And we're gonna pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Woo, it's done. Let's check it out. Okay, you guys, I have to tell you a little secret. When I checked it at 10 minutes, I was like, you know what? I have to put some foil on it to speed up the process and to kind of like steam it a little to bring out those flavors. But baby, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh, my mouth is watering. Diamond's cabbage stacker. Oh my goodness, y'all gotta get a close-up. Cabbage, ground meat, onions, red bell peppers, and a mayonnaise-based sauce with cheese. Diamond's cabbage stacker. This is healthy, y'all. Wait, come on, baby. Come on. Oh my good. Where's my plate? Look at that. Ooh, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Yeah, I don't know what to eat with it. Okay, y'all, we're gonna just sit that to the side. Because, baby, we can ready to taste this. There's nothing to it but to do it. Let's taste it. Oh. I want my red bell peppers. Now, wonder can I, it's hot. It's hot, y'all, but wonder can I pick it up and eat it. Y'all, it's so hot, though. It smells so good in here. Okay, y'all. Move you over, look. Move you over. You know what? Let me cut it. Let's cut it and see the inside, right? Ooh. Oh my. Woo. Oh, y'all, it's hot. We're gonna let that cool. Baby, I'm gonna taste this. I done messed it all up, y'all. Woo! It's too hot, y'all. I'm gonna have to let it cool. Y'all, I'm gonna have to let this cool, but y'all, it's so good. I guess like a simple cabbage. Simple, easy cabbage stacker. The beef meat has seasoned the cabbage. That cheese has given it like a creamy taste, the onion. Y'all get y'all some. I think if I actually let it cool, I could pick it up like a burger. I know I can. It was good. The sweetness of the cabbage. This is a 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, it done cooled down. It have cooled down some for me to pick it up. Hot.